We are Meniga. Our personal finance management solutions are used by many of the most innovative banks in the world, including Santander, ING Direct, and mBank. And our software reaches over 35 million digital banking users across the globe. We are here today to show you what we believe to be the future of retail banking, a world where banks use data to become a smart and trusted advisor to people in a much broader sense than today, and at the same time help their customers advance financially. We're excited to unveil Meniga Dialogue, a new solution that allows banks to engage in personalized conversations with their customers through their digital channels. These personalized conversations can be about anything, ranging from financial advice, product recommendations, tailored offers, or fun and interesting facts from people's finances. To put this into perspective, let's put ourselves into Finn's shoes here and examine how his bank can start a dialogue with him. Finn is using his bank's Meniga-powered mobile application. Central to the app is Meniga's award-winning activity feed that shows events from Finn's financial life on a timeline, a kind of Facebook for his finances. The feed is an ideal communication channel for personalized content where actionable advice, insights, offers, and events are mixed in with day-to-day transactions and banking notifications to form a delightful and even addictive user experience. For the past few years, Finn and his wife have struggled to make ends meet as his wife has been focusing on her studies. But now she has graduated and returned to the job market, and for the first time in years, they see a surplus forming on their checking account. Luckily for them, their bank is looking out for their interest and detects this change in their financial situation automatically and starts serving them personalized advice on what to do with the newfound surplus. Finn's bank suggests he should consider establishing a rainy day fund to cover 2 months of their average spending. Finn sets an ambitious monthly savings contribution and happily accepts, as the idea of a rainy day fund makes him feel much more secure about his family's finances. He also gets a head start by immediately moving some of his available funds to his new account. So what you're seeing here is a simple example of a dialogue between Finn and his bank that was triggered by a change in his financial situation. And the bank has converted a customer into a regular saver. But let's now look at how Meniga Dialogue works from the perspective of the bank. Einar, a marketing employee, has created a dialogue aimed at customers eligible for mortgages. Through smart triggers and associated messages, the bank can engage in a dialogue with customers at different stages in their lives. Meniga Dialogue uses machine learning to predict when people are likely to take out their first mortgage. In this example, Einar notices that his mortgage dialogue aimed at customers with high rent payments is showing great results. So he decides to expand the segment pool to also include people with lower rent payments. And after this change, Finn is now part of the target segment, and the bank initiates a dialogue, letting him know that he's eligible for a mortgage. He's also informed that buying a home could improve his long-term net worth, as well as potentially lower his monthly expenses. By inviting interaction, answering questions, and using positive psychology, the bank is nudging Finn towards accepting the idea of becoming a homeowner when the time is right. Later, when Finn and his wife have saved enough to make a down payment on their first home, the bank again initiates a dialogue, resulting in a live chat with an advisor to discuss their options.
Good morning. Is this a good time to discuss your mortgage needs?
Actually, he's drunk right now.
Okay, I see. You're busy. Looking at your credit score, I can't see any reason why this shouldn't go through. So I'll call you back tomorrow when you sober up.
So looking back at the admin interface, results from past and active dialogues are immediately available in the admin interface of Meniga Dialogue. Here, bank employees can define, monitor, and continuously improve campaigns. Einar can test different types of dialogues on different segments for optimal results, as experimentation is at the heart of the solution. It's easy to perform A/B testing, and the results of every campaign are always compared to those of a control group. So to summarize, Meniga Dialogue uses big data analytics and machine learning to find the right message for the right customer at the right time. It works in a similar manner as Netflix and Amazon product recommendation, familiar to most of us. It is also highly automated. Human interaction is only required to set the boundary conditions and link different dialogues with products and recommendations. There is no limit to the types of dialogues that can be created. Any type of personalized messages or interactions can be defined. Relevant product offerings and insightful advice help people improve their financial fitness and at the same time make them appreciate their bank more for looking out for their interest and understanding their needs. The high level of automation and use of digital channels also means it is a very efficient channel for banks to communicate with their customers, thereby lowering their cost. In an era where retail banking is under attack from fintech startups and big tech companies alike, the only option for banks is to become much smarter about using data to provide a delightful and highly personalized user experience. Meniga Dialogue is the driver needed to make that happen. Thank you.